Hi there, my name's Issy. I work for Garnish Gin. I hope everyone at home in isolation is doing well, and if not, let's try and fix that. Welcome to Gin at 1.5. So if you follow us on Instagram, you would have seen earlier this week that we posted a recipe for a salted mandarin trap, which is this bad boy here. Now today I'm going to show you how to make a cocktail with this one. Now I'm going to be doing a twist on Tom Collins with this salted mandarin shrub. And if you don't know what a Tom Collins is, that's okay. I'm going to make a classic one of them as well. And then lastly, I'm going to do another twist on Tom Collins, which is kind of like a gin and tonic, but not. Okay, for the salty Collins, you're going to need 2 bar spoons of the salted mandarin shrub. There you go. You're going to need 30 ml of fresh lemon juice as well. And then we're going to need 60 ml of Guvvos Gin. Now this gin's nice and salty, so it will work really well with this. So go ahead and put 60 ml in. Bit of a stir. And then we just need ice and soda. Ice. Another stir. And then I'm just using the Strangelove Soda water as well. So just go ahead and top that up. Then a straw, and I like to garnish this one with fresh marigolds and also some lemon leaves as well. And that's it. Alright, so now I'm going to make a classic Tom Collins. Now I'm just going to start off with 15 ml of sugar. Now the funny thing about Tom Collins is where the name originates from. So it's a little bit of a bartender's prank that they used to play in the 1800s to trick people into ordering a drink. So I'm going to add a little article link down in the description below so you can have a read of that article if you like. Now the next one is just 30 ml of lemon juice. And then for a Tom Collins you want to use an Old Tom gin, but if you don't have that, then just a London Dry style. Now again, the Great Ocean Road Guvvos is a modern dry style, so we're going to use that today. And you just want 60 ml. So you got your 15 ml of sugar, your 30 ml of lemon juice, and then your 60 ml of gin. So I'm going to pop that in there. And then again, you just top it up with soda and ice. So I'm going to use the Strangelove Soda again. There's my ice. And then just the Strangelove Soda. I'm going to go ahead and pop that in. And then for a classic Tom Collins, you just end up garnishing that one with a little bit of lemon. And that's it, really nice and simple. So this one I'm going to call a bitter Collins. It's kind of like a gin and tonic cross a Tom Collins. Now I'm going to use something a bit more punchy for this one. So I'm going to go for our navy strength gin, which is split point. So that one's coming out 57%. And I'm going to go ahead and put 50 ml in there. And then I'm just going to do this one with the bitter lemon by Strangelove. So this one's super simple. Don't need any sugar syrup or juice, just the bitter lemon and the gin. So I'm going to whack that one in there too, over some ice. And then I'm just topping that one up with the Strangelove Bitter Lemon. Just to garnish it, I'm just going to go with a little slice of plum. And then a few little bits of some fresh ginger as well. And that's it for the bitter columns. So that's it for today. These are 3 really easy drinks to make at home. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye!